Who doesn't love desserts? But you know, I'm always trying to put a spin on something. So you know what I said? Let's do some white fudge strawberry brownies. Let's get to it, y'all. It's JB Sutton Hands. So to start, we got a pound of strawberries. I basically want to take this hand blender and liquefy them. To cook these down, you'll need a nice non-stick pan. We're gonna place it on medium heat and pour these right in here. We want to begin just to cook most of this moisture out until these become thick. You can see it starting to thicken. Just want to keep stirring this because it will stick and burn really quick. And this is the finished product. Kind of the same consistency of tomato paste. Just set this to the side, let it cool down. I don't put it in the fridge, I don't want it to get cold. So to melt our chocolate, I'm gonna use the double boiler method, and I'm gonna add a stick and a half of already softened butter. Just gonna melt this real slowly. I'm gonna take it on and off the heat. So like I said, don't want to melt this too fast. So wipe the sweat out your brow. All the hard work is done. Let's make this magic. We'll add some sugar to the bowl. I'm gonna add 2 room temperature eggs, then 1 egg yolk. The extra egg yolk gonna give it that fudgy consistency that we all like in our brownies. Now I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of just regular salt. I'm gonna blend this on high until it's like a pale white color. All right. Now we check to make sure the white chocolate is nice and cool down. Add this right into here. Putting all our wet ingredients in together first. Now consider this puree, wet ingredient. We'll add about 1/4 a cup of this. It's gonna really bring in that strawberry flavor that we want. And let me just remind y'all, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and like the video. Really appreciate it. And remember, we bring things like this every week to the channel. The aroma is really coming through the strawberries. Alright, so now we're gonna add in our flour. I don't recommend dipping your measuring cup into the flour. It'll throw you off. So what I like to do is just take another cup and add it like that. And I give it a little tap to make sure it's, even inside the cup. So we pretty much be done with this mixer. Now time for the flick of that wrist, you know. Time to whip it, you know. Just gonna fold this in slowly, y'all. Don't overwork it. Just whip it nice and slow. Look at the flick of the wrist. So this part is optional, but if you really want to get that nice pink color, add a few drops of food coloring. I'm using gel red food coloring. Just continue to work this in. I like to add it just before all my flour gets mixed in. So we got us a pan lined with parchment paper. Oven already preheated 325. Just gonna pour this right on in here. Make sure you get it layered in here nice and smooth. In the oven we go for about 30 minutes. So I pull it out the oven. I let it sit for about 40 minutes. Let's crack these open and see what we got. I ain't gotta say too much. Just have a look. Just look at it. Nice and moist. Nice color on the inside. Mm, mm, mm. Like always, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. White fudge, strawberry brownies. JB Sutton Hands.